So as we decided in our previous video, I had told that above this level we had to look for buying opportunities, and no such scenario occurred. Below this level we had to look for selling opportunity, and this was a no trade zone. So below this we got an entry, you can see. And okay, so below this level I told that we had to look for selling opportunities, and we got one also. And in here we had to look for buying opportunities, and we got that also. But the only thing is, it gave an SL in here because I had told that if it crosses this level and makes a bearish pattern, then we had to look for shorting opportunities. And those who trade in 15 minutes, they got an opportunity in here. So one stop loss got hit. Except that we got good entries and good targets also. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. So in here, if you get a retracement, then only we have to take trade, or you can wait for a retracement in here or a consolidation, then look for selling or buying opportunities. Below this level you can look for selling opportunities. That's no brainer. Okay, and on weekly basis I had told in our previous analysis that chances are we can see a consolidation in this zone or a breakout of this zone after consolidation. So more or less consolidation is confirmed, and chances are there will be a consolidation, but let's see if it gives us consolidation or not. So here are the support and resistances and how we have to perform. This will be a no trade zone. Same in EURUSD, I told below this level we have to look for shorting opportunities. No such scenario appeared. This was a no trade zone, and above this level we have to look for buying opportunities. And you can see we got a good gap up from here till here, and this wasn't planned that it will give us such a huge move, but it gave. That's very good. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. But the only thing is, on a weekly basis you can see we are still at this M pattern zone, and chances are this will take support from this zone again, even after giving us such a huge move on the upside and downside both time. Then too, chances are very high that it will consolidate and then give a breakout or give a breakout, because trend is still on the upside. Okay, okay, so new support and resistances have been modified. So in this zone you can look for selling opportunity. If you see a bearish pattern first here, second bearish pattern, it can come till here, then give a bearish move or a pattern, then you can look for selling opportunities. And in this zone, once it gives above move, then you can look for buying opportunities. And in this zone there are very high chances that you can see a V-shaped recovery. Let me make it like this. Okay, so in here you can see a V-shaped recovery because this is a support zone, and if it comes below this zone, then you can look for selling opportunities. Okay, so same in GBPUSD, I told above this level you have to look for buying opportunities, and you can see we got one opportunity also. From here market open, and you see from here till here we have achieved easy 35 pips. And I had also told that this zone is an area where we can see a bearish move, but it didn't give a bearish move from here exactly, it gave it from here, but still we got profit, and now it is performing like we have decided. So now I'll modify some of the support and resistances. So new support and resistances have been modified. So in this zone what we can see is, we can see a good buying option. You can look for buying opportunities in here. This will be a no trade zone, and chances are we can get a good buying opportunity from here till here. Okay, because it is making an inverted head and shoulders pattern, chances are it may consolidate in this zone for a longer period of time. So I've made support and resistances, we'll trade accordingly. In Bitcoin also, I told that in this zone we have to trade in half quantity. This was a no trade zone, and below this level we have to look for selling opportunities, and we got one. Whole Saturday Sunday it didn't perform, it was consolidating, and then it gave a 3000 point of move. Okay, we had planned for only 1000 to 1500. Those who were trading, for them they had got easy 2000 points, and those who were not trading, they had easy got 1000 points. So I'll modify new support and resistances have been modified. So above this level you can take for buying opportunity, but in here you have to see whether it gives us resistance or not, or it is giving a breakout. So chances are you can see a good resistance in here. So take in half quantity while taking a buying opportunity, and take in full quantity while selling. And below this level it is clear that we have to look for selling opportunities. On weekly basis, what I had told earlier also, that chances are that it is taking support. If it had to go, it would have went very fast, but it is not going. A longer time it may take for base forming, and then give a breakout or a breakdown. So we are still bullish, but we are trading on the basis what chart shows us. If it shows us that it is going down, with no hesitation we'll be taking the selling opportunities, and if it shows us buying opportunity, then we are already prepared for that. Okay, so new support and resistances are here. Same in gold, I told that above this level we have to look for scalp opportunities, and in here you can see that I told we have to look for some type of consolidation, and then chances are it may give a breakout, but it didn't happen. It gave a breakout, and it is without consolidation. So now I'll modify new support and resistances. Okay, so new support and resistances have been modified, and for those who have left the opportunity or who didn't got the opportunity, for them only I'm marking this level. Chances are that if it goes above this level, we can still get this target. And those who have entered here, they have to exit in here. Until then, they have to do trailing of the stop losses. Okay, keep the quantity low. Those who are taking in here, and those who want to enter at a right price, chances are wait for it to come here, and then a bullish pattern, and then look for crossover of this level, then target is this. Okay, and those who want to take above this candle only. If it doesn't goes above this candle, then don't take. Otherwise, wait and watch. There's nothing left. If you like my videos, please like and share, friends. Thank you.